Good morning, dear students. In previous video we had studied about kinds of sentence and we had completed our question number 1. I had told you to complete till 15. Now today we are going to start with the exercise question number 2. Do as directed. Rewrite the following assertive sentence as exclamatory sentence. Now here the exercise is given directly. First we will understood how the assertive sentence is changed into an exclamatory sentence. So let us start. Formation of exclamatory sentence. You can form an exclamatory sentence by starting it with what or how. Now when you have to change an assertive sentence into an exclamatory sentence, you have to start it with what or how. If you start it with what, it should be followed by a noun phrase and then the subject and verb. Now when you start the sentence, assertive sentence, when you have to change into exclamatory sentence, at that time when you start the sentence with what, it should be followed by a noun phrase. You have to write a noun phrase and then you have to put the subject and verb, and afterwards last you have to put an exclamation mark. Don't forget to end up with an exclamation mark. Now how will be the formation for exclamatory sentence? What plus a or n plus noun phrase plus subject plus verb and plus exclamation mark. Now for example, he is a strong person. Now he is a strong person, this is a question, assertive question. Now you have to change it into exclamatory. So first what you have to write? What. So what, then plus a and n. So a is there in question. So what a noun phrase, strong person. Now you have to write subject. So what is the subject over here? He. So what a strong person he plus verb. Verb is what? Is. So you have to write after he is and you have to put an exclamation mark. Now see the second sentence. Example. It is a beautiful house. So first you have to write what? What a beautiful house, then subject it and then verb is and put exclamation mark. What a beautiful house it is. See the third one. This is an excellent pattern. So you have to write first here the formation is given. What, a is not there but n is there. So what an excellent pattern, subject this, then verb is and put exclamation mark. Now sometimes the subject and verb can be left out. Sometimes in some of the sentence we can left out the subject and verb. See for example, it is very excellent. It is very excellent. So first what we have to write? What. It is very excellent. It is very excellent idea. I have not written here idea. So first, it is very excellent idea. See, it is very excellent idea. Full stop. Now what an idea. You have to write what an idea and put exclamation mark. So this is the first part. Now see the second part. Now if you start an exclamatory sentence with how, you should follow it with an adjective or an adverb and then the subject plus verb. Don't forget to end up with an exclamation mark. Now for here we had seen the sentence of what. Now when you start the sentence with how, what you have to do? You have to write how plus adjective plus adverb plus subject plus verb plus exclamation mark. For example, it is very lovely. So first you have to put what? How. Then After how, adjective or adverb. Now here lovely, here it is an adverb, so how lovely, then you have to put subject it, and then verb is, and then exclamation mark. The second one, the tree looked very beautiful. How beautiful the tree looked, exclamation mark. Now here you have to keep in mind that if in the assertive sentence the words are there like very, extremely, etc., you have to remove that words. Sometimes the subject and verb can be left out, as we had seen in the first point. For example, it is very lovely, so how lovely, and then you have to put an exclamation mark.